I am so happy to receive GIANDEL 2000 watt power inverter and would like to share the open box video with you guys. Here's a label. It tells you this product has 18 months warranty. Open the box. You'll see the product and all the accessories. Now let's check the product details. This is the front side. The cables can be connected from here. The output side. Here's an LED display. You can get the input voltage, output power, watt or kilowatt. Now let's connect the batteries. Ensure you correctly connect the cables to your battery and inverter. The red cable to positive pod and black cable for negative pod. Otherwise, it will burn the fuses inside the inverter. After setup, the appliances can be normally used. Operation. You can press the switch for 2 seconds or press the remote control to turn on the inverter. It's handy. The cable is 15 feet long. Here's a USB, 2.4 amps max. It'll auto-detect your devices and give a 2.4 amp current in max. Thanks for watching this video. If there's any problem, please contact us.
AIM's 2000 watt Pure Sine Inverter. This 12-volt Pure Sine Inverter features a dual 20 amp GFCI outlet. It also features a USB outlet for charging and powering portable devices. The integrated thermally controlled fan means more efficient battery usage and quieter operation. An LED indicator light confirms power and warns of faulty conditions. Includes low voltage alarm, overload, and overtemp protection. Remote port for optional remote, and backed by an ETL certification and 2-year warranty. The DC terminals are located on the back of the inverter, one red, one black. 1-aught cables are recommended. You can also purchase an optional remote panel for this inverter, part number REMOTEHF.
Hi, welcome to Samlex Workshop. Today we're going to talk about inverter remote controls. Inverter remote controls allow you to remotely monitor the inverter because it's typically installed very close to the batteries, or should be installed close to the batteries, from relatively far away. So you can go anywhere between 10 feet to up to 25-30 feet. I wouldn't recommend going any further than that. But from there, close to where you're working, you can basically turn it on, turn it off, and monitor the status of the unit itself. Here we have the RC200. The RC200 is for the PST series, the larger PST series, the 1500 and the 2000. Either voltage variant, 12 or 24. It provides you with a lot of information on the screen. On the LCD portion of it, it'll show your output volts, your amps, your frequency, your wattage, your volt amps, and your power factor. as well as showing you the status of overload, over temperature, and your power itself. You can scroll the display back and forth between those other LCD display values, and we'll see that in a minute. This unit comes with 15 feet of cable. It is 10 conductor cable, so it's very specified. It is straight through, so it can be duplicated. You can extend it up to 25 feet, but just make sure you take the old cable in and get it duplicated with the extension on it. Again, like with the other remotes, plug into the remote, plug into the inverter. This unit will have to be on like the RC15A. So you power it on, and you've got 120.6 volts, and you can scroll through the display showing you all the different values. And if you wish to turn it off, turns off and turns back on again. In this case, my power supply won't handle the current draw to turn it back on again, but here it is back off and back on again. And you'll always hear the beep from the inverter when it's powered on, so it's a good indication that things are working well.